Hi, I'm Elen Jones and I help the Office of the Future Generations Commissioner with the Globally Responsible Wales Journey Checker. So what's that all about? Well, I thought I'd make this short video to explain my top 5 favourites to see if we can help understand a little bit more and inspire others. Having been in the world of fair trade over the last decade, it won't come as any surprise that fair trade is going to be in my top 5 favourites. Now, this could be any steps that include your procurement, so where does your tea and coffee and snacks and fresh fruit come from, to learning about it in our schools, fair trade uniforms, or during Fair Trade Fortnight, taking part in an activity or meeting a producer to help deepen our understanding. Next is divestment. Ethical investment and divestment are really, really important when we're talking about global responsibility, because this is where big money can have real negative impacts. Now, this is quite sophisticated in people's journey, but last night Cardiff City Council voted to divest their pensions, so that's why it's in there, and I'd really like to see every public body in Wales look at where their pensions are invested and start to follow Cardiff's lead. Now, one of my other favourites is Nation of Sanctuary. Now, this could be anything from learning about how your community integrates with refugees, asylum seekers, what is your local immigration policy, how can we make Wales a nation of sanctuary that's welcoming and fair to all. Whether it's a policy, whether it's engaging, but playing your part in Wales's role as a welcome and fair place. Now we're coming to the sticky end. I want to choose something quite simple, so something like a national day of or a UN day of. Now these could be as simple as World Environment Day or Refugee Day, or as I said, something to do with fair trade, World Fair Trade Day. Could be something to do with Go Green Day. Anything that looks and helps deepen understanding. And this could be as simple as just marking it on your social media, or it could be having a policy and running an event that helps work with your community to deepen their understanding. They could be fun and playful, would have a really serious edge, and helps people deal with complex information in a simple and fun way. So finally, I think I'm going to go with the tree planting. One, because so many areas are now thankfully recognising the emergency of our climate, and we need to put nature first. And I think the more trees we plant, whether they're here in our local areas and communities, or whether they are in areas that need them most, such as equatorial communities, the people who grow our tea and coffee and our cotton that we use every day. Now, all of those steps that I've mentioned contribute to being globally responsible, on certain steps from being simple to being more adventurous to leading the way. That's what this journey is all about, learning from others and inspiring people to think, I can do that too.